Welcome back to the deep dive. Last time we talked about how testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, can really make a difference in energy, confidence, and just overall wellness for guys in California.
Absolutely. It's amazing how balancing hormones can, bring back that vitality.
It really is. And speaking of confidence, today we're tackling another huge topic, one that affects millions right here in California: hair loss.
Androgenetic alopecia, technically. But yeah, thinning hair, receding lines, those patches, it's more than skin deep, isn't it?
Definitely. It hits self-perception hard. It can even change how you interact socially.
Exactly. And it can start at different ages, but that search for a real solution, that's pretty universal. So today, let's dig into why it happens, maybe how the California vibe plays into it, and crucially, what effective, convenient options are out there now.
Okay, let's start with the science bit. Why does hair loss actually happen? What are the main culprits?
Well, it's usually a mix. Genetics plays a massive role. If it runs in your family, your chances are higher,
Wait,
definitely.
the hereditary factor.
Yeah. And then there are hormones, specifically DHT, dihydrotestosterone.
Ah, yes. DHT.
This basically shortens the hair's growth phase, and it shrinks the follicles over time. Eventually, they just, well, stop producing visible hair.
So it's internal stuff, but not only internal, right?
No, not at all. Stress is a big one. It can trigger this temporary shedding phase called telogen effluvium.
Right, where you suddenly notice more hair falling out.
Exactly. And nutrition matters too. Deficiencies in things like vitamin D or B12, even iron, can weaken hair or contribute to loss.
Okay. And underlying health stuff.
For sure. Thyroid
Mm.
problems, certain autoimmune conditions, even some medications or treatments like chemotherapy can be factors. It's complex.
It really is a web of factors. Now, let's bring it home to California. How does our lifestyle here fit in? Because it feels like a bigger deal here sometimes.
I think it does. You've got this fast-paced environment, demanding jobs, very active social lives.
And let's be honest, a real emphasis on appearance, especially in cities like LA, San Diego, SF.
Absolutely. So hair loss can feel like a bigger psychological hit here. Plus, think about the practical side. Who has time for multiple clinic appointments?
Exactly. The traffic, the waiting rooms. It's a barrier.
It really is. People need solutions that actually fit into their packed schedules, not the other way around.
Which naturally leads us to online options. Our sources pointed towards Optimal Clinic USA's approach. It's fully virtual.
Precisely. And that model hits all the right notes for modern Californians. No driving, no waiting rooms. It's all about convenience.
It's in privacy too, right? The medications ship discreetly.
Yes, directly to your home. And the consultations are online with licensed California doctors. It's private, easy, and, just fits. It brings the clinic to you, basically.
Okay, that sounds promising. So let's talk treatments. What actually works? What's available through this kind of service?
There are several FDA-approved proven options. For male pattern baldness, finasteride is a common one. It's an oral pill that blocks that DHT we talked about.
Okay, the DHT blocker.
Right. There's also Dutasteride, which is similar but sometimes considered more potent for tougher cases.
Got it. What about topical stuff?
That's usually Minoxidil. You apply it to the scalp, typically 5% or maybe 10% strength. It works differently, boosts blood flow, kind of wakes up those follicles.
So you can tackle it from different angles.
Exactly. And often, combination therapy is the most effective, using both finasteride and minoxidil together. Sometimes they're even combined into one pill or gel now.
Interesting. Beyond the main prescriptions, what else helps?
A good plan often includes nutritional support. Think vitamin B12 for cell turnover, vitamin D3 for scalp health. Low D is linked to thinning.
Right, supporting the foundations.
Yeah. And sometimes metabolic boosters or amino acids are added. Things like lipo-C, MIC plus B12, glutathione, arginine. They help with things like hormonal balance, reducing stress on cells, and improving circulation to the hair roots. It's a more holistic view.
That sounds really thorough. So if someone's listening in California and thinking, okay, I want to try this, what's the step-by-step?
It's designed to be super simple. First, you book your consultation online through a secure IPA-compliant form. Your info is safe.
Okay, secure online booking.
Then you have a virtual appointment with a licensed California doctor who specializes in hair loss. They do a proper assessment.
A real doctor, just online.
Absolutely. Based on that consult, you get a personalized treatment plan. They explain what to expect.
Clear expectations, good.
Then, if prescriptions are part of the plan, they're shipped discreetly from a certified U.S. pharmacy right to your house. And you get ongoing support from the clinic team if you have questions.
Wow, that really removes a lot of the usual hassle. Who's the ideal candidate for this?
Honestly, it's pretty broad. Men and women seeing thinning, bald patches, A receding hairline, whether it's genetic, stress-related hormonal shifts like after pregnancy, maybe thyroid issues.
Oh, quite a range.
Yeah. Basically, anyone looking for proven treatments but wanting that convenience and privacy that avoids the traditional clinic setup.
And drilling down, why Optimal Clinic USA specifically for Californians? What makes them stand out?
I think it's that combination. 100% virtual and high-picking compliant privacy is huge. Access to licensed, experienced California doctors. The full range of FDA-approved treatments.
Yeah.
And just that unmatched convenience with the fast, discreet shipping statewide, it ticks all the boxes.
So, wrapping this up for our listeners, what's the key takeaway?
If you're in California and hair loss is bothering you, the clear message from the science is act sooner rather than later. Early intervention usually leads to better results.
And options like Optimal Clinic USA make starting that process really straightforward, private, and effective, all from home.
Precisely. Don't let it keep affecting your confidence. It's worth exploring the options.
So book that consultation, start the journey to healthier hair.
This episode was brought to you by Optimal Clinic USA, helping Californians regrow confidence one strand at a time.